This is my favourite muffin recipe. It's really versatile. You just have 2 cups of self-raising flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 3 small bananas or maybe 2 large ones. Mash them after you peel them. Add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a cup of milk, and then give that a good mix. Once all those wet ingredients are mixed, add them to the dry ingredients by making a well first, and then mix them through. But don't over mix them, you don't want it to get tough. Then you can use up any other fruit that you've got left over. It could be anything from apples, berries, pears, whatever you've got. Mix that through gently and then spoon into the muffin tray. Then you place it in an oven at 180 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes depending on your oven. Take them out when they're cooked, cool them, and then you can have them warm, or they're really good to freeze later.